Hey, what's up guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down this exercise, I'm going to go ahead and review it for those of you who didn't get to see it on TikTok. Alright, so this exercise is basically just a blues lick. We're using this lick to work on our slides, our hammer-ons, and we're getting more familiar with the pentatonic scale. So it starts with this slide from 9 to 11 on the G string. You can see I'm taking a pretty good whack at that string. Ultimately, it's up to you to figure out how to position your hands in such a way to get that nice stroke without hitting unnecessary strings. After that, we come down to the 9th fret on the G string. And I was trying to hit that string a little bit lighter than the other strings as I was doing this exercise. That's something you can try. It's not mandatory. It's all good if you just hit it in the way you want to hit it. Then we come to this part where we do something called a rake. If you can hear, I'm kind of scratching those strings as I pull up. If you wanted, you could just work on this skill as your warm-up. Just like the slide, it's up to you to figure out how to mute the strings appropriately to get that raking sound. And that's just a way to add some flavor to your lead lines. You could incorporate the rake for the rest of these notes in this lick if you wanted to. Or you can go a little bit lighter. Of course, you still want to work on all the things that this lick will get you better at. Accuracy with your picking hand, your fretting hand, getting familiar with the pentatonic scale. At the same time, you don't want to shy away from injecting your own style and your own preferences into these exercises. So have fun, get warmed up, and then go do all the things you love to do on this guitar.